In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete history on the Reddit app. We all know how important it is to maintain privacy and keep our digital footprints in check, especially with the amount of information we browse daily. Whether you're a seasoned Reddit user or new to the platform, managing your browsing history can help keep your activity under wraps and ensure your experience remains personalized and private. Let's get started by ensuring that your Reddit app is open on your mobile device. Once you have it open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the home screen. It should look quite familiar, with posts, subreddits, and various options laid out before you. Now, the key to deleting your history lies in navigating to the correct settings, so let's walk through those steps together. First, one thing we'd want to do is access the settings of the Reddit app. Head over to the top left corner of the screen where you see your profile icon. Tap on it. This is your gateway to the options you'll need. With that, a menu slides open, displaying a few choices. You want to find Settings, so take a quick scroll down until you catch sight of it. Tap on Settings to continue. Now that you're in the Settings menu, let's look for the Privacy Security option. This section is crucial as it houses the settings related to your browsing and activity data. Once you find it, give it a tap. Under this, you will locate the Clear Local History option. What this does is allow you to erase any history stored locally on the device you are currently using. Go ahead and tap on Clear Local History to proceed. At this point, the app might ask for confirmation just to make sure you intended to clear your history. Confirm your choice, and your local history on the Reddit app will be cleared. This process doesn't affect your online activity across different devices, so if you're using Reddit on your computer or another device, this history clearing process will not automatically sync. However, doing this regularly on each of your devices is a great way to ensure your activity is not cluttered with things you've spent a little too much time on earlier. Remember, it's all about keeping your experience clean, organized, and private. Following these steps ensures that your browsing remains personalized without unnecessary clutter from past ventures into various subreddits. If you find this information helpful, make it a routine to check your settings periodically. I hope this guide helps you navigate the Reddit app a bit more comfortably. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you have a wonderful, secure browsing experience.